Hello, people. This is Sergeant Raza here. I am playing a game here called Dyson Sphere Program. Now, this is my first time recording a video like this, so please excuse any kind of bad narrating that I might do along the way because I never really recorded a video like this before. But we're playing a game here called Dyson Sphere Program, so it's basically building up your base and gathering resources and building up your base. So we're gonna start a new game here into a brand new game. I literally have no idea how to play this game. I've never played this game before, so it's my first time playing it. I don't even know how to play it. So it's basically number of stars 64, and resource multiplier is set to 1. And I'm going to click start here, and let's see what happens.
Welcome to the actual universe. You may find it's different from our homeland. Should you be able to adapt to the laws of physics in a short time, I am your advisor and will help you through this mission.
Ooh, that's a pretty nice sun. I do like the space graphics in it. It's pretty awesome. The entire universe thing. Pretty cool, I'd say.
Everything here is yours. As one of Cosmo and the pioneer of the Dyson Sphere Program, you will explore this cluster step by step. By using the resources here to construct the Dyson Sphere to provide energy for the center brain to maintain homeland, starting from scratch. I have chosen a designated planet for you to start the mission, which has necessary resources for initial development. Now please drive the space capsule to the planet.
So we can drive the space capsule ourselves. That is actually pretty cool. Let's go into that big blue planet. It's called Theta Volantis 2. But I think we're going down to this planet here. Theta Volantis 3. Volantis 3. So I presume we're landing here first. Woo.
Now you are about to reach the designated planet. This is Icarus, a lightweight industrial mecha with powerful functionality. You can use the arrow keys or right-click on the destination to control its movement. In this mission, you will manipulate Icarus to travel beyond the stars and create miracles.
Looks like a transformer, a bumblebee transformer. So we can move around with WASD.
Now try to recycle the space capsule. Right-click on it to recycle.
Ooh, we get 5 of something. 5 of.
You can use the same operation to collect resources, such as trees, gravel, etc. In the meantime, hold down Shift and right-click to give a series of commands. You receive several items after recycling the space capsule. Click the inventory button in the lower right corner of the screen to open the cabin to view them.
And we got 5 hydrogen fuel cells, 10 iron ingots, magnets, and a copper ingot. 10 of them. Okay, so do we get to build something now, or?
You can hold down mouse middle button drag to rotate the angle of view, or slide the mouse wheel to zoom in and out.
Cool, I'd say. Being able to like rotate the map itself. I'm gonna set it right here. And go zoom in and out. Can we harvest this? What's this here? Oh, so we're harvesting iron ore right now.
Yet you have not unlocked the construction menu, which will be done automatically when complete any technology research. Click the technology tree button at the
Okay, so
bottom
this
right
here
of the
is the
screen
technology
to open
tree.
the technology tree and activate a research.
So we're going to activate electromagnetism. So we're going to activate that, and we're going to need 10 magnet coils. Okay, so let's go back. Use inventory items. Where's their background? Okay, so we need. Can we produce one of these here? 2, 4. Need 8 of these. So it's replicating. So we're producing stuff right now. So we have unlocked electromagnetism, which gives us these three here: wind turbine, Tesla tower, and a mining machine. You have unlocked new automatic mining machines, which will automatically collect ores for you. Of course, its capacity is limited. You may wish to transport these material to smelting facilities automatically. Okay. Click here to upgrade.
You have created a mining machine to achieve ore collecting automation. Pick it up from the inventory or select it on Gathering of Construction menu to build it.
Okay, so I was saying you go to upgrade, so we can upgrade. I presume this is our main bot, our main mecha, so we can upgrade stuff here at this cost here. Unlocks 40 max core energy, so we need 20 iron ingots and 20 copper ingots. So we're going to activate that, but I think we don't have enough resources for that. Let's build something here. I think we can build. I think this is the build menu right here. Let's build a mining machine.
You can use the R key to rotate the mining machine for covering more veins. The more veins covered, the faster the ores will be gathered. If you want to ignore grid snapping, try holding down the Shift key.
Ah, so we could just literally take all of them in there. About there, fine.
One of your production facilities is not powered. You need to keep it within the power coverage area and supply it with power facilities in order to maintain its normal works.
So we're going to build a wind turbine. Let's build it right next to it. And build a
Wind turbine. You have established your first power grid. Not all power facilities has its power supply area. Use the Tesla tower to extend the area of the power grid.
So let's build a Tesla power. The power transmission facility can extend the power supply range of power grid with a certain connection length and supply area. Okay, so let's build one right next to it. Right here. So I presume anything that's within the blue circle will get powered. Let's put it right here.
You have done building the first power transmission facility, Tesla Tower. It can carry out short-distance wireless power transmission and expand the power supply area of the power grid. Click on it to view the current power grid information.
Okay, so we're 100% satisfaction. 100% satisfaction. So this is now producing iron ore right now. So to be collected like this. Yeah, so we basically have to click and collect from the iron. So double click. Okay, so we have what you call iron ore coming in now. What are these over here? These are, we'll just collect one of these. These are coal. We have a coal facility here. Let's just build another mining machine. We do not have enough to build it. Let's go into buildings and build ourselves. We need 2 chipboards. We don't have enough copper ingots. We need copper ingots. Alright, so how do we manufacture? Oh, so in order to, oh, we need copper core. Where can I get copper core here? Copper, 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 copper. So it's producing. It only stays at like 50, I'd say 50 at a time. What are these over here? Stones. Where is copper? We have more. So we're running out of
Energy is required in all mecha activities. If it is depleted, the activities will be restricted. You can click the mecha panel button at the bottom right of the screen to open the mecha panel and resupply fuel into the fuel chamber.
Okay, so I presume this is refueling right now. Ah, the energy bar is going up. That's good. Iron ore. Is this the... no. Iron ore. Is that the... oh, so you press space and it jumps. Is that producing iron ore as well, say? Yes, they're both producing iron ore. So we have one production facility of iron ore here. And we can build another one here. But I need copper ores. I do not see any kind of copper ore anywhere. I need daylight up here. Ah, but what either way, I think that's copper ore here. Copper bins. Ah, so we have found copper bins. Let's harvest. How many do we need to build one of these circuit boards? So we can produce about 10, let's say 10. Okay, so it's producing 10 of each. Buildings. We need gears. So it automatically produces everything we need, as long as we have the resources in the background to supply it with. I think that's how it works. I'm just basically learning the very basic of the game right now. I'm not really an expert in this game. I presume that that's it now. That'll be it now, I'd say. So it's producing, replicating, should I say, replicating. We can close that. Ah, so we have one here, mining facility. Let's rotate it and put it the best possible location we can. 104, 143, 90, 100. I think this is probably the best place we can set it at. Let's put it here. And it needs electricity, just like all the others. We do not have enough parts for producing electricity. Let's replicate and produce some here. And we're gonna have to make that as well. Maybe go 2 of these. So we have one. Let's put this right here. one wind turbine here. Let's put it right next to it. So we now have electricity. And it's mining copper ore right now for us. Which is very nice. And what else we have to build another one of these. Another one. I like how it automatically just starts the processing of manufacturing all the item itself, just to produce one of these mining machines. I'm gonna put the next mining machine here. Wonder what's the best spot to put this at. Not quite exact. Let me just rotate the map. I'm trying to put it here, like somewhere. That'd be a good spot, I'd say. 297k of coal. And again, we're gonna need electricity for that. We have a wind turbine here. I suppose we can connect this. So let's produce 4 of these here. Can we click them? That is nice. We still do not have the components. Let's just produce about 10 of these here. So that I may go into that. Into the manual research here. So we have 4 of these power grids. We can put one here, and then another one right over here. That should be enough to power the mining facility. Yes, so we now have coal being mined. That is nice. So we need about 10 more of this here. 10 of these here, excuse me. I've literally produced about like 62 of these items here. Let's see what we can research after this here. We're going to technologies, basic assembly processor. You've increased the core energy limit of the mecha by 40 MJ max core energy. That is nice. So we need automatic. I think we should research this facility here. Basic assembly point, so we will always be needing these kind of components here. So yeah, let's activate this here. And we need 10 gears for this. 10 gears. Go into our replicator and click on this here, and 10 it says 10, 10, 10, 10, and here we go. 10 gears. We already have like 10 circuit boards. Now we have only 8. But I think we'll just, we have 8 here, so we can produce 2 more. And let's do like 10. Be alright. Now we have 20 there. That's nice. Gonna zoom out. That's one of our facilities here. The other one is all the way somewhere. You have unlocked the assembly machine MK1. You can make iron and copper ingots into more advanced products, but its speed is slower. By upgrading technology, you can get a faster assembler. Okay, let's build one. Let's put this one right here. And it needs electricity like all the other ones. We're probably right here. I had another mining facility somewhere.
You have a building without recipe set. Please set the recipe you want. After selecting the recipe, you can use the less than key to copy the recipe and the greater than key to paste the next building that needs to set the same recipe.
We are running low on fuel. Need fuel. How can we get fuel? So I presume this coal, will this be used as an energy? Let's see. Copper ore. No, fuel only. What about fuel only? What about coal? Coal is... okay, coal can be used as an energy for the mecha. So that is good to know. Let's collect a few more of these here. It looks like we're going to be needing more of that stuff. More of that stuff here. Our energy is quite low. So open up the mecha panel and put more in there. And we should be collecting more. More coal the better. So what can we make in this here now? Please select the recipe. Okay. So we can produce circuit boards, magnetic coils, and copper. So in order to produce gears, we need copper ingots. I think we can get them from here. Copper ingots, hold on a second. Copper ingots, we need iron ore, which is all the way to the other side. This is coal mine here, this is coal, and this is copper veins. What about this stuff here? Wait, hold on. One iron ingot.
After selecting the recipe, you can use the less than key to copy the recipe and the greater than key to paste the next building that needs to set the same recipe.
So we have iron ore here, we have coal here. Need more coal, let's say. Yeah, we're gonna need more coal. Let's put it all in there. Let's get some fuel up. No, not here. Get more of this stuff here going, so we have plenty of fuel in there to keep us going for a while. This is coal here. Any other facility around your direction? What are these? Rocks? Stones? Okay, let's build a mining facility here, which we do not have. Let's replicate one into buildings. Replicate one. Maybe go two. So now we're going to place a mining facility here for the rocks, on the rocks. So 170k, what about here? 162, 91. I presume this is the best spot now for this. 142, 191, so let's put it right here. And as always, it's going to need electricity. Let's put one power generator right next to it. And we're going to need a Tesla coil to connect it. So now we have rocks coming in. Yeah, excuse me. now we need to do a bit of research. What can we research next? What about this here? Smelter. We can unlock smelter. We need 10 magnetic coils and 10 circuit boards to unlock the smelter. But we also unlock glass as well. So we can activate it. We seem to have all the circuit boards we need, but we need more circuit boards. About 9 of them. So let's produce 10. We'll be alright. No, that's made a mistake. We need 10 of copper coils or magnetic coils. 10 of them. I hate how far the other facility is. Oh, we can fly to it while wasting our. We have another planet in the distance, which is Capricorni, which is 2.2 light years away, so we're not going near that anywhere soon. Where is my other projection facility? I left it here somewhere. I'll put it there somewhere. I can't find it. Ah, there it is. So we have. Hold on. They're too far away, as you can see. Oh no, they're here. We have one here. So now we can, and yeah, the research is done. We have unlocked the smelter, and it will automatically smelt the base materials such as iron and copper ingots for you. To achieve full automatic, you need to use a sorter to automatically put ones in the conveyor belt into the smelter. Okay. Let's build one of these assembly units here. Yeah, maybe go 2 of them. What's the next research we can do? Electromagnetic matrix. The foundation of all technologies and one of the basic source code that keep the center brain simulating. Use a matrix lab to create these matrix. Use separation. Okay. Well, I'm just going to leave that for a minute and go to the top. Basic logistic systems. So we can activate that. Use a conveyor belt and sort of transport cargo from one place to another to achieve automatic production. That's what we need. So we're going to activate that, and we need 10 gears. Okay, let's replicate 10 gears here. 10. We have 10 here. Okay. Is it finished? Yeah. So we should be finishing up soon. Let's collect all this. 50. How we're looking on the fuel. Fuel is okay. We have a lot of fuel in there. Coal in there. That should keep us going. Let's build a smelter here. You have unlocked the automatic logistic, the conveyor belt and sorter. You can use them to automatically transport the ore gathers into the mining machines for smelting or to load them into the storage. That is great.
You have received the sorter and the conveyor belt, which can achieve full automation now. Use the conveyor belt to transport the piled up ores from the mining machine, and the sorter can deliver the ores from the conveyor belt to the smelter for automatic smelting. You built a smelter, which can smelt basic materials, such as iron ingots and copper ingots automatically. While you want to make the raw materials and products get in and out of it autonomously, you need to use sorters and conveyor belts.
Okay, so we have a conveyor belt here, and what are we producing here? We have iron ore here. What can we use? Iron ore? No, no, yeah. So we can make iron ingots here using the iron ore. So we just need to build a conveyor belt.
When putting a conveyor belt, all you need to do is determine the starting point and the end point of it. In addition, use the up arrow key to lift up one level, and use the down arrow key to drop down one level after the conveyor belt is lifted. Press keypad 0 to reset the construction height of the conveyor belt to the ground. If you don't want the conveyor belt to be attached to the building, you can try holding down the shift key.
Okay, so we're going to need a sorter. Transport cargo from conveyor belts into facilities or between facilities. Can install filter to filter the cargoes. So I presume this goes from here.
The sorter is a transportation connector of cargoes between facilities. It will automatically transport them as long as the supply facility and the receiving facility are bridged.
So let's put this. Insufficient product supply. Okay, so we now have achieved automatic production of iron ingots. So now we can build what you call a assembly point. Right. Where energy other facilities? Oh, here. So let's go this one. Let's see. Where did I put all my other connects at? God, I keep losing my stuff. Is that it over there? Oh, there they are. They are all
When
the
being
way.
outside of building range, you can hold down the shift key and use the right mouse button to click on the open space to control the mecha to move.
Okay, so let's just gonna put this right here. So producing iron ingots here. So what can we use it to produce here? Oh, we can make gears from this. Great. So all we have to do is just connect a assembly line from here, here to lack of items. We need to produce more assembly lines, but let's produce about 10 of them. Let me start machine. Okay, so we're now producing the conveyor belts, which is nice. So let's connect this to here. Let's connect. No. Maybe let's connect what you call a platform. And looks like we're gonna need another one. Can we connect from here to here? No, it won't. Okay, so we're just gonna have to put out a sorter from the line here. So we now have the production of gears. We can now produce gears. I think we can build a warehouse as well. There we go, now we have a warehouse as well. Need rocks. We do not have rocks. Need rocks to fly. We have rocks. Over there. How much rocks we have here? 50. So we need to replicate a warehouse. We'll go for 10 of these here, real quick. And get more rocks from here. So we build a, what you call it, a warehouse. Great, let's make about like 6 of them here. It's gonna take a bit of time. No, let's just build one and then build 6 more. Let's get more holes here for our fuel. Looks like we're gonna be needing more fuel. Yeah, we seem to be okay for now, but we're gonna be needing more. So let's collect 50 of these. No, I'm actually gonna delete this. We are all the way over there. So we now should build a warehouse. So some of the buildings are over there, so we're just gonna build a warehouse somewhere around here. Let's put it right here. And we're gonna
You built a storage, which can be used to store cargo. You can manually store or use the sorter to automatically stock the cargo.
and like right here. Yeah. So I think we're gonna need a sorter here as well. There you go. Now we have production of gears coming out, which I think they will automatically go into the warehouse, or maybe not. Gonna need more roads here. Hello, tell me. We have sorter from here to here. We need power for the warehouse. Let's build a wind turbine and a Tesla coil right next to it. So we now have production of gears coming in, an automated production of gears. Build another smelter here. I'm gonna build another what you call this, smelter. Maybe over here. No, right over here. More iron ore here, so we're going to build a separate production facility for the production of iron ingots. I'm going to put them in a warehouse as well. Okay, so we have 2 mining machines. Let's rotate that here. It's going to like 217k. Running. So that's the best path here. Let's build a smelting ore right here. Right, we're gonna need electricity. Let's connect them up. Maybe somewhere around over here. There. So we're gonna need more conveyor belts over here. Starting from here to here. Angle is too wide. From here to here. We're gonna need more of sorters. Let's produce about 5 of them. So we have one here, here, here. Okay. So we now have an automated production of iron ingots. Or we can go bang this as well, like. We are short on electricity. Let's build a turbine right here. So now we have to connect it to the warehouse. Here to here. We're producing gears here. 8 gears.
You can now click the planet thumbnail button in the lower left corner of the screen, or press the M key to try the planet view mode.
Okay, so this is our... it's actually pretty cool. See how you can zoom out into the space world and just see all the different planets there are. It's actually pretty cool, like I have to say. Let's go zoom in on the planet we are in. We are on this tiny planet here. We are next to this here. So I need to build an automatic production line of copper coils, for which I will need. Well, I have automatic production line of gears. I need automatic production line of magnetic coils. So I need to set up copper ingots and magnets. I presume we can build. So I'm gonna have to say goodbye to this video here for now. So please, people, hit that like and subscribe button for more videos of like this, because I will be playing more and more of this videos online. So please hit that like and subscribe button for now. We'll see you guys tomorrow.